up, vlog? We're back. Say hi.
Hi.
We're here at the Loveland Living Planet Aquarium. We're gonna go check out some fish and whatever else they have here. We're in Utah, so syempre walang dagat dito. No ocean. This is the best we got. So, mahilig ako sa mga beaches, snorkeling, ganito, ganyan. Kaya excited ako or para yung trip namin sa Pilipinas. Pero para na yun, this will do. You ready? You excited?
Yes. You're gonna have to go to Nashville.
Binili namin yung tickets. And this is the aquarium. And he's waiting in line with the children to take a picture with the wings. See the wings, or you want to take a picture? Huh?
I'm embarrassed.
We're still waiting. Emmie, what is your favorite sea animal?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Mine's a pading or shark. Bang. Pretty cool. Have a blue whale or humpback whale. This is a whale shark. They have those in Cebu, Pilipinas. One day, sa balang araw, makakita namin yun sa Pilipinas. Then they have manta rays. Hindi ko alam yung tawag. I don't know the names of really any of these in Tagalog. I know pa din. Sige, pumunta kami sa South America muna. Ano nito? Sige, ito ay yung South American exhibits. Mainit dito. Katulad ng Pilipinas. Tingnan mo. These are piranhas. Wow. Tingnan mo. May malaking ibon. Macaw. Grabe yung ganda. Look. It's a turtle. Or what is it in Tagalog? Pagong. Grabe ang laki ng pagong.
Did I say it right?
Yeah. Tingnan mo, spider. Sheesh. May buhok. Tarantula sa English or gagamba sa Tagalog. Gagamba. So the Philippines have their own version of Spider-Man. It's called Gagamboy. That's what they call him. Gagamboy. Gagamboy.
Sana po ako superhero ngayon. Alam niyo, Tay.
We should watch that movie. That would be a funny video. Tingnan mo mga isda dito. Ang laki-laki nila. Walang ganito sa inyo sa Pilipinas. Wow. Ito. Arapaima. Arapaima. They're huge. Alright, tapos na kami sa rainforest. Now we're gonna go discover Utah. I want to go, hindi ko alam ano nito. Pero let's go check it out. Normal na isda. Pero tingnan mo nito. Tingnan mo ang ahas nito. Great Basin gopher snake. Ahas is snake.
Ahas?
Ahas, snake. Sige, Antarctica na. Malamig. This is jellyfish or a dikya.
Dikya?
Dikya.
Dikya?
Dikya in Tagalog. That's deep Tagalog. Medyo malalim na. Dikya. Grabe ang ganda nila. Penguins.
We go there and see a better bed. Oh. How do you say penguin?
I have no idea. I don't think they have a penguin. It's a Tagalog. If there's penguin in Tagalog, drop it in the comments.
Look at this guy. Oh my goodness.
Ibang view ng penguins. Anong paboritong pangalan ninyo? Drop sa comments. Isla. Islands.
Look at these guys. They're so cute. Ew, that one pooped.
Kumain niya.
Oh.
Alright, tapos na kami sa Antarctica. Malamig doon. Hindi ko alam saan kami punta na yun. Grabe, tingnan mo ang ngipin ng Megalodon. 50 feet, 100,000 pounds. Ito yung tao. Wow. Ito yung
Here, let me film you.
mouth niya.
I'm making Trevor go in it. Yeah, that is huge. Huge.
Sige, paborito ko na ito. Ocean
Ocean
Explorer.
Explorer. Holy. Oh my god.
Starfish.
Sea anemones.
Sea anemones.
Trevor is gonna touch. These are stingrays. They're right
Look at 'em.
here. Going by.
The stingrays are on a touch break. Emmie seems to be on a touch break all the time as well.
We have Dory in here.
We got Dory from Finding Nemo.
Are there any Nemos in here or no?
No clownfish. Pag nasa Pilipinas ako, sa nakarang taon,
Wait, that
nakita
has
ko
white eyes.
ng
I know
ganito
that's not
sa
their eyes.
100 Islands. Tsaka doon, nakita ko yan. Oh, clownfish. There's clownfish. Just a black version.
Oh yeah.
Nemo.
I saw a lot of these yellowfish in Hawaii.
Wow.
I don't know what kind of fish that is.
Tingnan mo ang itsura niya. I have no idea what that is.
How do you say fish in Tagalog?
Ista.
Ista?
Ista. I-S-D-A.
Ista?
Ista.
Ista. They look so
Wow.
funny. Look at those ones. That one's, I think it's two, curled up on that.
Most of the time they
Piece of
curl up
seaweed.
on something. Wow.
It's Nemo.
How many clownfish there are? I saw these. Nakita ko sila sa Under Islands. Tsaka yung itim. Hey, tsaka itim.
Okay, the time has come. We can touch. Oh, there it goes. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got them.
Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. Get it. Trevor lives for this.
Yeah, I like ocean things.
They are
I insist.
quite good therapy.
This is a more fish thing. That's the second grade. I thought it was a school project. So, halaga sa akin. These are huge. I saw these two at Agno Beach in Pangasinan when we were walking the tide pools. These are super poisonous, super poisonous. They're also a delicacy. Super expensive.
Oh, what's this one?
So pretty. This one,
Oh,
I have no idea what this is. Look at this guy.
just chilling.
Grabe, tingnan mo ang mata nito. Wow. Sorry, Filipinos, no karaoke. Sorry, Filipinos, I don't think karaoke is gonna happen here. Unless Emmie wants to pretend she's the Little Mermaid or something.
Ew.
Zebra mantis shrimp. Jeez, it's huge. Ang laki niya. Alright. Ang ating paboritong parte. Mga pading. Bull shark, gray reef shark, nurse shark, brown-bedded, bamboo shark. I've never seen that one. Sandbar shark, hammerhead, blacktip, great white. Oh, he's huge.
Imagine seeing that in the ocean.
They've seen up to 33 feet. That's the biggest they've seen. This is 20. 33 feet.
Crazy.
Tiger shark, also pretty large. Pretty sick. My favorite's the thresher. This should be the thresher shark. Yep, there it is.
Why? Because of the tail?
The tail, and look at how big the eye is. These things are so fast. Look at how big his eye is compared to all the others. Big old
I know.
eye. Pading. Kumain ako ng pading sa Agno. Noon. Binenta nila sa akin pading. Sakto lang yung lasa. Sakto lang siya.
Trevor loves watching the sharks. Let's see how long he wants to stay here. Oh, look at this guy.
Mamatay ng mga pating kung bigyan nila yung swimming. Kasi yung tubig dapat pumunta sa gills. Oh my, awesome.
Can I have it?
Tiga. Nice sombrero.
He's a shark. Go in.
Get stingray, bagong. This is pretty cute actually. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's cute actually. Alright, tapos na kami sa aquarium. Sana nag-enjoy kayo ng video. Ibang klase video na ito. It's different. Ingat. Kita-kits.